Beautiful, beautiful flower. These are the beautiful flowers I showed you the other day, BB, in my photos. Aren't they pretty? Oh, you should have let your feet be dry off for a few minutes. Pick them up and carry them. Oh man, this feels so cool in here and good. Come on, you said give me your hand so you don't. It's cool in here, man. Feels so good in here. Maybe you should have just let your just go barefoot for a few minutes and you'll be good.
Oh yeah.
Come in here, man. It feels good. Oh, it's cool.
It feels good.
It feels real good.
It feels good, Grandma.
Joseph in the grotto. I'm photographing Joseph in the grotto. Joseph in the. I'm videotaping Joseph.
Alright, now I have to start the clown.